I don't understand fame. I don't understand why people make such a big fuss about status. Um, whether you live in Pontieville or Kwamashu or I don't know, wherever you are living, you know, if you are doing something that is pure, that is good, that can enrich other people's lives, um, I don't understand the reality where people, DJ, and I don't understand this freaking birds. Daai is fame. Daai is mense wat fame soek. Hoor jy vir hulle? Daai is fame. Wragtig, the internationally famous. Ik kan alles verstaan. Maar ik kan niet die verstaan. En ik doe die ding aan elkaar oren. Hoeveel keer? Maar krijg hij. Yo. No man. Verstaan je dat niet? Jo.